the past several months, I have made the Pixel 7 Pro my lovely daily driver. And now Samsung S23 Ultra has come out. And I have made it my mission not to watch one video, not to watch one keynote address, nothing. I mean, I've been avoiding the heck out of this device because I like to be surprised. I like to see something for the very, very first time, not always pick it up and be like, wow, I've been looking at you and all of the leaks and everything for the last few months. So I gave myself a little excitement, a little break from the video making. You may or may not have noticed. Maybe I'm returning, maybe I'm not. It all depends if you watch this video to the end. We'll find out. First thing we have to do is open this up. So I got, I believe, the green Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'm hoping that the S23 Ultra is shipped with the S Pen because I really kind of like that, and the fact that they got rid of the Note makes me really, really want an S Pen just for nostalgia. I'm one of those people that absolutely did use the S Pen all the time, so I definitely missed the Note, but now maybe we have an S Pen here again. If you follow tech, you probably know more about this device than I do. I, like I said, have made it my mission not to find anything out. So we'll put that down. We will unwrap. Oh. Well, look at that right there. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. That is pretty snazzy. Look at that. Galaxy S23 Ultra. Wrap your head around it. S23 Ultra. Does it mean there's been 23 S's? Nope. But we're on S23 and there's a lot of them in there. So without further ado, let's get into it. Back to the knife. That came out kind of hard. Is this the phone? What? Oh. Is that an S Pen? That's an S Pen. We got an S Pen. So it did come with an S Pen. That is a clever back right there. I've never had a phone this color before. This is like fun. I like fun colors. I would love an orange phone. I haven't had an orange phone yet. This is beautiful. Look at that. We still got these horrible curved edges, which are bound to break. Let's be real. Me and you, these beautiful edges, they always break. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. We know it. They always break. This device, this thing looks insane. Look at all of those camera lenses. Look at that. It's like they took the camera hump and they did something else. And they made it like a piece of art. Wow. This is insane. This thing looks phenomenal. I mean, I'm gonna start it up. We're gonna enjoy it. We're gonna put our old sim in it. We're gonna say goodbye to the Pixel 7 Pro. And we're gonna start daily driving this beauty. And we gotta get a case on her ASAPZ. So let's go ahead and get this started up with that power button. Oh, there it goes. While this is firing up, let's explore the contents of our unboxing. Okay. Oh. There's nothing. Oh, we had a cable and a SIM ejector tool and a quick start guide. So, SIM ejector tool, thank you. Quick start guide, thank you very much. And a USB-C to USB-C cable. So thank you, Sammy. Here is our device. Let's get her going. Insert SIM, connect to mobile network. Now I will say this, as we are saying our goodbyes to the 7 Pro, not forever, but for a minute, right? I will say that it has been a phenomenal device. Great device. Probably one of Pixel's or Google's best devices they've ever come out with. So I'm, of course, switching for the sake of switching. basically, Aaron, why did you get a new phone? Well, they came out with one. That's why. That's really all I got for you. As long as they keep making them, I'll probably keep buying them. All right, SimiSim is in there, nice and snug. Get this started up. Here we go. All right, setting up using another device, a Galaxy or Android device. Well, let's just go ahead and set it up from my Pixel to this and see what kind of experience we get. Oh, look at that. Right when I scanned the code, it immediately came up with this cool setup. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right there. This is what we are seeing at the very moment. And I have not installed any additional software. And now it wants me to take a photo of this so it can make Google Android love. Oh, wow, that quick verify, it's me. Here we go, easy peasy, connecting to the Wi-Fi. It knows my Wi-Fi, it knows all my stuff. Samsung is making this really, really simple. It's gonna move, hopefully, my messages and my apps. Doesn't need to move my photos because this is a Pixel. Everything is up in the Google Photos, so I don't gotta worry about any of that mess. So this was an unboxing video. We set it up for you. We are taking a look at it. Here we go. This beautiful green. This is unique. This is beyond different. This is enticing. This is a nice color. Great job, Samsung. Can't wait to play with it. Can't wait to have a better battery life than I had with my Pixel 7 Pro. So super excited. Thank you all for watching the video. I know it's been a minute, but hopefully it won't be that many minutes before you get the next video. And if this is your first time here, thanks for watching until the end. Like, comment, subscribe, and most of all, for the love of tech. Namaste.